In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google AdSense from your website. This tutorial is targeted at website owners who have previously integrated Google AdSense into their websites for monetization, but now wish to remove it for any reason. Our focus will be on making the process as simple and straightforward as possible. Whether you're looking to redesign your site, transition to a different advertising network, or have any other reason for removing AdSense, you're in the right place. Let's begin by visiting the Google AdSense website. This is your starting point for any changes related to your AdSense account. The URL you're looking for is adsense.google.com/start. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the homepage of Google AdSense, a platform trusted by millions worldwide for website monetization. Your next step is to log into your account. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login page. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signing into the one associated with your AdSense account. This might seem basic, but it's crucial for accessing the right account details and making sure you're modifying the correct website's AdSense settings. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Please enter the email address linked to your AdSense account. Accuracy is key here to ensure a smooth login process. Following your email entry, the next screen will ask for your password, and carefully input your password, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, complete that step as well. Having successfully signed in, you'll be on the home page of your Google AdSense account. Look for a section or a link labeled Home. This is usually the dashboard area where you can see an overview of your account's performance and access various management features. Your attention should now shift to the Sites section. This part of your dashboard holds the list of websites you've associated with your AdSense account. It's where you can manage your site's AdSense configurations. Within the Sites section, find the site you wish to remove from AdSense. Each listed site should have an accompanying delete icon. It's usually represented by a trash can symbol or something similar. This icon is crucial because clicking it will initiate the removal of AdSense from the selected website. Before you proceed, please pause and consider the implications of this action. Removing your site from AdSense means you'll no longer display ads from the Google network on this site, which directly affects your site's potential to generate revenue through Google AdSense. After clicking the delete icon, you might encounter a confirmation dialog. This is a standard safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment to ensure that you're removing the correct site, then confirm your decision. Upon confirmation, Google will proceed to remove AdSense from your site. This process may not be instantaneous. It can take a short while for the changes to reflect on your website, so a little patience is required. Upon completion of these steps, your site will no longer display ads from Google AdSense. You've successfully removed your website from Google AdSense. But remember, this action doesn't close your AdSense account. You're free to add new websites to your account in the future, adjust settings, or even reinstate the site you just removed if you change your mind. Before we conclude, here's a friendly tip. If you're planning to transition to another advertising service or looking to monetize your site through different means, ensure you fully understand the new platform's requirements and terms of service. Adapting to a new advertising network can be as challenging as it is rewarding, and being well prepared can make all the difference. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether your goal was to declutter your site, enhance user experience, or prepare for a new monetization strategy, I hope you found these instructions helpful. Remember, the web is constantly evolving, and so are the ways to monetize and manage your digital presence effectively. Stay curious and never hesitate to seek out new knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Happy website managing!